What's up, Moto lovers? MotoCheeno here, and that's Alvy. He's doing a brake switch. We're gonna go join him and see what he's up to. Hey, Bubba.
Hello, Bubba.
What are you doing, Bubba?
We're brake light switch. Lost my light.
Reminds me of the days in the garage with my dad.
You want me to cuss at you?
Just kidding. I never had a garage. I never met my dad. Whenever you press the rear brake, it ain't even turning on the rear brake light, so.
It is turning it on, it's just making it stick.
It's making it stick, so it's stuck on.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. How did you diagnose it?
I pressed the rear brake pad.
You heard it here, folks. Press the rear brake pad, and you have successfully diagnosed your brake switch. Cool. Alright, there.
Oh no.
Oh, where the did it go?
Whoa.
Where the did it go? You see it?
Hello?
Bro, it just disappeared into the ether. All the newbies here, all the future Dyna Bros.
Those are your people.
My people. Over your shoulder. How'd you get a torque wrench on that, Alvy?
You don't.
You don't? What do you mean by that?
Because you can't.
Because you can't. You don't because you can't. Unless you take the whole exhaust off. You can get a dog bone. Oh, boom, that's how you do it. See these tiny little fingers? Yeah, baby. Come in handy. Let's see them sausage fingers. Woo, mechanic shit. Alright, got the first one in. Now we're working on the second.
Baby hand saves the day.
Baby hand saves the day. Only victim class shit, baby. Gotta flip that this way. We're able to successfully connect the brake switch. Zoom. Focus. There it is. It's in. Everything's connected. Here's a true test. Does it work? Ho! Team Orange, baby.
Team Orange.
All day. Right here, best team in the world. Turn a one-man job into a two-man job. Throw it.
Every job can be a two-man job.
You heard that? Every man job can be a man two job. What we gonna do, Alvy? Fuck shit up. Get up.
Cheeno!
What's going on, Ray?
Alvy? What's happening? What's up, Ray?
What's up, folks? So I came out here for lunch. I'm eating my burger. The street light is amazing, by the way, at OCC Roadhouse. This place is amazing. So I'm out here at my break, and then I get a text from a buddy of mine showing me the view that I'm looking at from here. I'm like, what? I look up and I see him down the bar. He didn't realize I was already in here. So I want to introduce you to somebody, near and dear friend of mine here. What's your name?
Clutch, Red Rum MC, Calusa.
It's good, Clutch. What brings you around these parts?
Just getting a drink, come to hang out with my homeboy.
Nice. What do you ride?
17 Road Glide.
Nice. You like it?
Yes and no.
I hope so, because I did the service on it. I hope that's a yes part, right?
That's the yes part. Good service. She's getting some miles on her though.
I wish I could drink it, but I'm on break. So here's my proof, all right? Water.
This is ginger ale.
Ginger ale, that's right. Gonna go ahead and delete those.
Always something.
Always.
Always.
Wouldn't have it any other way. Keeps you on your toes, you know? Toes, he said. Just try to have a normal day sometimes, you know? But no, shit's gotta always happen.
Nothing normal about us. Period. Team Orange.
Team Orange. Nothing normal over here. Just the way we like it. Weird.
No.
Alright, so what do we have here? What problem?
The ignition's locked.
Can you turn the steering wheel? Nope, and it's in the unlocked position. Let's see what we can do. What year is this?
10.
2010. All right, so we dissected it, and the bottom literally fell out of that. Where's the other piece, Albie? There it is. That's the locking mechanism that sticks into the top triple tree right there. But whole middle section right here just broke off. Hence why we couldn't use the key or the knob or special tools to unlock it. So looks like we're gonna have to order a new ignition module. Get it squared up. That's what we do. Bailey, this is your last day. Any last words? What was your experience like working here?
It sucks because I dealt with you.
The jokester, this guy. I hate that kid. I hate that kid.
Which Chick-fil-A is it? One on Fowler? Bears. What? One on Bears. Like Bears and... You're not working the drive-thru, are you? Working. Damn. That's like...
Fuck shit up.